In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add local pickup to an eBay listing. By the end of this guide, you'll be able to offer your buyers the option to pick up their purchases in person, saving you time on shipping and potentially drawing in local customers. Let's dive right in. First things first, you'll need to log into your eBay account. Make sure you're using a stable internet connection, as this will ensure a smooth process. Once you've logged in, head over to the My eBay section, which you can find in the top right corner of the screen. From there, navigate to Selling. This area is your command center for listing, revising, and managing your sales. Next, you'll decide whether you want to create a new listing or edit an existing one. Creating a new listing allows you to start fresh, setting each parameter from scratch, while editing an existing listing lets you build on what you've already established. For today's purpose, select whichever option suits your needs. After you've chosen to either create or edit a listing, scroll down the page until you reach the shipping section. This is where you'll configure how your product reaches your customers. At the top right of the shipping section, you'll notice a button that says See Shipping Options. Go ahead and click on that. Once you've clicked, you'll find an array of shipping choices available to you. Look for the option to toggle local pickup to On. This feature is what enables your buyers to arrange a pickup directly with you rather than having the item shipped. Now, when you toggle this setting on, a new section specifically for local pickup will appear below the domestic shipping header. This new local pickup section is crucial as it provides additional settings specific to local pickups. Here, you'll want to make sure that the option to add local pickup is toggled on. By doing so, you've successfully configured your listing to allow buyers the choice of picking up their items in person. And there you have it, you've just added local pickup to your eBay listing, providing added convenience for your local customers and opening up new opportunities for interaction and engagement. Before you finish, make sure to review your changes and save your listing. This ensures all the configurations take effect and your listing is updated according to your preferences. Remember, offering a local pickup option can set your listing apart, particularly for buyers who are nearby and want their items quickly. It's a simple yet effective way to enhance the buying and selling experience for both parties. Thank you for joining me today, and happy selling on eBay.